Okay, so this next question, the heights of women are normally distributed with a mean of 162 and a standard deviation of 7 centimetres. The probability that a woman chosen at random is taller than 170 centimetres, given that her height is between 168 and 174 centimetres, is, and then we have to choose from one of these. So our first thing that we're looking at is that this is a given that statement, which means that the probability that we're looking for is going to be the probability that the person's height is 170 centimetres or taller, given that they range between 168 centimetres to 174 centimetres. So, like in all given that statements, this part comes and it gets smeared down. Then we're looking for the overlap between this section and that section. So if I'm looking for 170 centimetres or taller, that means I'm looking for 170 all the way up to 174 because it's given that they're in that range. Okay, the 168, we don't care about those people, or the 169 people. We only care about 170 to 174. So now I'm looking for the probability that someone is between 170 to 174 centimetres tall, given that their height is between 168 all the way up to 174 centimetres. Now, we're going to be using, in our calculator, we are going to go to statistics, execute, distribution. Now, it tells us in the question that we're looking at the normal distribution, so we're going to click that one. And we're looking at a range, because for this one, we're ranging from 170 to 174, and for the bottom, it's from 168 to 174. So we're going to click NCD. Get rid of that. Okay, so we need to make sure that it's variable. Now, our lower level is going to be 170 to the upper, which is 174. Execute. Now, our standard deviation is 7, and our mean is 162. Okay, so we first work out that our top section is 0.083 divided by, now I'm just going to go back and change the lower to 168 to make it fit our data. Okay, and so now that one is going to be 0.152, and all I have to do is throw that into the regular section of my calculator. So back into the run matrix, 0.8083 divided by 0.152, execute, and the closest one that we get to that is going to be C. So therefore our answer for this one is C.